Hi, I'm Fred, and I'm going to show you how to build one of these mailboxes. So let's jump into it. So first up, we're going to cut our timber to size, and then we're going to stain it. So while we're waiting for our stain to dry, we're going to spray paint our letterbox red. And then we're going to paint this placemat green, which we're going to use for our special delivery sign. So now that our paint's dry, we're going to customize our sign and our letterbox with some stencils and a paint pen. So now it's time to assemble our mailbox. I'm going to attach the base to the post with some countersunk wood screws. And after, I'm going to attach the letterbox to the top of the post. So for our last step, we're going to be attaching this sign to our letterbox with some chain. I'm going to drill some holes here and attach it to the letterbox. So there you have it, your own Santa's mailbox. All you need to do now is write Santa a letter. If you like this video, be sure to like and subscribe so you stay up to date on all the latest projects.